I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by BITREFILL.com, the easiest way to get living on a Bitcoin standard. Head to their website and pick up gift cards for great places like Amazon, Apple, DoorDash, prepaid MasterCards, and plenty more. You can check them out at the links down below.
So John and I got into Bitcoin. It was the end of 2020, so COVID times, right? You know, we went down a whole bunch of rabbit holes like many other people did. Those rabbit holes were chemicals in our skincare products, toxins in the environment, the corruption of our food system, and just our health overall as a society just declining. And with all those rabbit holes, you know, they all tied together. They all had one thing in common. Well, two things actually, and that's money and greed, right? So then we went down the monetary rabbit hole. With that, we discovered Bitcoin. And once we discovered Bitcoin, freedom money, as we like to call it, we couldn't shut up about it. I think our family and friends started getting really sick of hearing about it, especially because they haven't pieced the puzzle pieces together yet, you know? So I think we came on a little strong and a little hard at first, but, you know, we took a step back, and now I feel like the tide is shifting. More recently than ever, I feel like people are starting to wake up. They're starting to realize that something's broken and something is wrong here. They're working harder. They're working longer hours, and they're not being rewarded for it. You know, we know that this is because of the government constantly printing money, inflating the dollar, and we're losing our purchasing power. So they've been conditioned to think that inflation is normal, and it's not. As we know, it's not. It's stealing their wealth, it's stealing their time, and it's stealing their quality of living. You know, a lot of people are living paycheck to paycheck, and they can't buy a home, or they can't take that vacation that they want to take, or they're kind of like cheaping out on like quality food. And then, you know, that affects their health in the long term, you know, but working overtime and trying to make ends meet comes with a trade-off, and you're sacrificing the things that make life worth living. And, you know, that's time with your loved ones. That's quality time. So next to Bitcoin, time is our scarcest asset, right? And, you know, we're not meant to grind our lives away. I love this saying, we're human beings, we're not human doings, right? We're here to live, we're here to just be. You know, I think everyone's starting to understand that there is an issue here, and they're getting frustrated. And once that frustration bucket starts to overflow, I think they're going to start seeking a solution. And as we know, that solution is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's also finally taking the center stage. It's an amazing thing. Bitcoin wasn't just invented to be cool. It's not just another cryptocurrency. You know, it's here to stay. And it was invented to fix this very problem that we're all facing right now. It's the tool to help reclaim our freedom, our time, and our future, really. I think we've all had enough of being enslaved by this broken system, and Bitcoin is our way out. And I think we're just getting started here. So.